Hi, I'm Joyce with Johnson Plastics Plus. I'm here today to talk to you about the Fluxador and how you can add metal engraving to your business with the 2-watt infrared module. In this video, I'm going to cover how to install the 2-watt infrared module and engrave on an anodized dog tag. Let's go get started. First, I'd like to introduce you to the Fluxador add-ons. Starting with the printing module and the CMYK cartridges, there is also a 10 or 20 watt diode, a 2-watt infrared, and also a rotary attachment that's available for use with the extension base only. The extension base also has a pass-through option available for larger material. Let's talk about the Fluxador itself. It has a metal body, also a bright LED touchscreen, a safety switch located on the outside of the unit, an autofocus feature, as well as a camera located under the lip of the unit that gives you a bright, full-color view of your workspace. This unit does need to have a filtration unit or be vented outside. Now let's go take a look at some of the samples we've made. Let's talk about the benefits of using an infrared laser. It creates a dark contrasting mark without the use of an additional laser marking spray or paste, such as Surmark. Has the ability to make a high contrast mark on anything that's been anodized, and does a great contrast on slate materials. For our samples today, we've got 2 pieces of jewelry on different color stainless steel, an anodized box knife, our slate Christmas ornament, and our anodized dog tag. Let's check out how we made this anodized dog tag in our demo portion of our video. Let's go ahead and get our infrared laser module set up so we can engrave our dog tag. To start with, I'm going to line my hanger up and then push it down gently. Taking my set screw and a Phillips head screwdriver, I'm going to go ahead and install the set screw, just tightening it down. I now need to focus it on my material, so let me get that dog tag put down right here on my material. Now I just need to hit the autofocus button twice. Now that we have our infrared module attached and autofocused, let's bring our job in to Beam Studio and get it set up to go. So I'm going to start here in Beam Studio. I'm going to go ahead and open my artwork file, bring in my artwork under the laser and under color. This file has a couple different pieces of artwork in here, so I'm going to start by disassembling it so I can separate my artwork. In order to do so, I'm going to go ahead and select it and then click Disassemble. This is going to break my artwork into individual pieces. I'm also going to do the same with this little series of phone numbers under Charlie. So now I have my artwork all broken up into individual pieces, and I'm going to go ahead and move the artwork I want to work with to a separate layer. Change that color to something bright so I can see it easily. I'm going to grab Charlie here, go ahead and move that. Grab the Charlie here and go ahead and move that element to layer 1. By doing that, I can now see that Charlie's turned yellow, and I can go ahead and hide the artwork I don't want to work with. Now at this point, I can go ahead and take a picture of the bed. By clicking the camera, it's going to go ahead and connect and then take a picture. Once I have a preview of the bed, I can see my blank here. I can go ahead and move my artwork. I'm going to go ahead and grab all of my artwork and then move it here to the middle of my blank. So now you can clearly see my artwork for my infrared right over top of the blank. I do need to go ahead and select it and change down here under my modules to a 2-watt infrared. You can now see my working area does get slightly smaller because the infrared module is quite large. So now I've got my working area, I have my artwork placed. I do need to go ahead and set my settings here for my power and speed. I'm going to come under the parameters and select stainless steel. The power is set at 90, the speed is at 0.79, and then I'm going to go ahead and just hit go. This is going to go ahead and calculate and send my job by hitting start. Thanks for joining me today. I'm Joyce with Johnson Plastics Plus. If you have any further questions about the Flexa door or anything I covered in our videos, you can find more information on our website at jpplus.com or reach out to our customer success team. Thanks for watching.